Okay, so we need to remove this panel first, which is 1, 2, 3 screws. They're Phillips head screws. That will come away like that. So disconnect this wire here, and then if we do the same here, which is disconnect this one, push down, pull out. Then what we need to do is take this silver casing off, which again is Phillips screws.
Yep.
So we remove the panel like so. We'll basically expose both wiring hitches, so you can check that your wires are soldered on properly to both motherboards, and also down here check your wires are soldered on here, and then your battery is in here. So if we remove that screw and that screw, you take the grey plate away and withdraw your little battery. Check that your terminals are on securely, and check that your terminals are on securely here. If you have a multimeter, you can check that it is 6 volts in there. To check the wiring inside the throttle, first of all you need to remove this part, and then with the screwdriver at the back remove the 4 screws. Once the 4 screws have been removed, you can then separate the throttle, and then inside here you need to check that these terminals have not come away. We're just giving them a small little wiggle and making sure that they are still soldered onto the switch. That way you have then checked all your wiring points to make sure that they're all good and that power can be transferred through to them. The refit is just simply push back together, put the screws back in. When you're fitting these white blocks, always make sure that the wires themselves have not come out whilst being fitted. They can sometimes move and actually push out, so they don't make a connection. You must make sure that they are actually making the connection.